Hello, dear students. Welcome to today's English session. In our previous video of topic verb ing, we had learned about the ing form of verbs. So now we know that the ing form of verbs tell us about the actions that are happening at present. Yes, we also learned about the rules, how to change the base form of verb into its ing form by adding suffix ing. We know that there are few rules to change the base form of verb into its ing form, and we have already learned two rules. Let us first revise those rules before proceeding further. Yes? So, the rules to change verbs from base form to ing form. Rule number 1. We form the ing form of a verb by adding ing to the verb. For example, the verb play becomes playing simply by adding ing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Similarly, by adding ing at the end of base verb cook, we get its ing form cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking. Rule number 2 was for verbs that end in letter E. We drop the final E before adding ing to the verb. Let us take few examples. For example, verb make, M-A-K-E. The letter E at the end is dropped and we simply add ing. So, M-A-K-E, make, is converted into its ing form by writing M-A-K, dropping the E and adding ing at the end. Okay. Similarly, bake is having letter E at the end. So to convert it into its ing form, we will drop the E and B-A-K-I-N-G is the ing form of baking. Now, let us learn few more rules to change the base form of verbs to their ing form. Third rule, in case of some verbs, we double the last letter before adding ing to the verb. In these verbs, the letter before the final letter is a single vowel. Children, this is a very important point. Some of the verbs which have a single, what does single means? One, which have only one vowel before the final letter. To convert these into their ing form, the last letter or the final letter is doubled and after that ing is added. For example, stop, S-T-O-P. Here, the final letter is P and before P, we have a single vowel O. So, what will we do to convert it into its ing form? We will double the last or the final letter P. That is, we will write S-T-O-P-P and then add ing. So, the ing form of verb stop is S-T-O-P-P-I-N-G. Okay. Let us take another example. H-I-T, hit. Now, in this case, the final letter T has a single vowel before it. So, to convert it into its ing form, we will double the final letter T and add ing. So HITTING becomes the ing form of the word hit. Again, let us see one more example. Cut. Now, in the verb cut, the final letter T has a single vowel U. Only one vowel is there. So, what are we going to do? Correct. We are going to double the final letter and add ing. So, CUTTING will be the ing form of verb cut. Yes? Next, bat. Here, the final letter T has a single vowel A before it. So, again, what are we going to do? Very good. We are going to add one more T and ing. So, base verb bat is converted into its ing form by writing TING. BATTING, batting is the ing verb of verb bat. Okay. Now, as we all have learned that we have to take care that the vowel before the final letter should be single. Only then the final letter has to be doubled. Okay, this has to be kept in mind. There is one more thing that we have to take care of. Note, for rule 3, we have to keep in mind that letters W, X and Y are never doubled. Which letters? W, X and Y. Okay, so let us take few examples. For example, in the word blow, B-L-O-W. See, there is a single vowel O before the final letter W. But we know that we never double the letter W. So we simply add ing at the end. So verb blow becomes B-L-O-W ing in its ing form. Similarly, play. Here, there is a single vowel A before letter Y, but we never double the letter Y. So the ing form of play would be P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Next, draw. Here again, there is a single vowel A before letter W. But since W is never doubled, so we will write D-R-A-W-I-N-G. By simply adding ing at the end, we get the ing form of verb draw. Now next, facts. F-A-X. Here again, we have a single vowel before letter X, but X is never doubled. So we will simply add ing and the ing verb of facts becomes faxing. F-A-X-I-N-G. Okay? Now children, that we have learned all the rules, let us try to solve this exercise by applying all the rules that we have learned. Yes? So, the first word is kick. K-I-C-K, kick. Now, how will we convert the base verb kick into its ing form? Correct. Simply by adding ing. So, K-I-C-K-I-N-G becomes the ing form of kick. Next, buy. B-U-Y, buy. We can see a single vowel U before the letter Y. So shall we double the letter Y? No. Remember that W, X and Y are never doubled. So the ing form would be made by simply adding ing. So buy ing is the ing verb for base verb buy. Next, look. L-O-O-K, look. Here, before the final letter K, we have two vowels. Yes, we have two O's. So, shall we double the last letter? Shall we double the final letter to change it into its ing form? No. We double the final letter only if there is a single vowel. So, here we will simply add ing to change look into its ing form of the verb. Okay. Next, let's come to the next word. Fit. F-I-T. Fit. Now, here the final letter is T, and before T, I have a single vowel I. So what should I do now? Very good. I will double the final letter T and add ing. So F-I-T-T-I-N-G becomes the ing verb for base verb fit. Next, fix. F-I-X. Very similar to fit. Yes? But what should I do? Should I double the final letter X because there is a single vowel I before it? No, we never double the letters X, W and Y. So to convert it into its ing form, we are going to simply add ing. So the ing verb is F-I-X-I-N-G. Let's take one more example. The word is make. M-A-K-E. Now what should I do? Very good. When the verb ends with letter E, we drop the letter E and add I-N-G. So, M-A-K-I-N-G is the ing verb for base verb make. So, children, I am very happy now you all have learned all the rules, and I'm sure you will be able to convert any verb into its ing form by following these rules. Thank you and have a nice day.